Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to track payments in real time on Payoneer. I log into my account and here you will see the activity of payment requests. So if you send a payment request to your payer, you will see on the top is payment is pending. But right now I don't have to send any payment. This is my already previous complete transaction, but you will see like this. You send a payment request to your payer and payment request is pending, you will see. So after your client has been seen, so he payment made it, and after payment being processed, and then payment on its way to you. So you will see this is my last transaction, but you also can check like this. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.